Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can add a clickable link to your Facebook story. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If I go and click on the sticker button when trying to add a link to my Facebook story, as you can see, there's no option for link here. So to go and do this, we're actually going to go and have to utilize Instagram, because then what we can do is go and share our Instagram story onto Facebook with a link have been added. So what you need to do is head over to Instagram. If you don't already have an account, go and create one. And then what you need to do is come to a profile page and click on the three bars in the top right and go and click on Account Center. Then scroll down to Accounts and then go and click on Accounts. And what you need to do is go and add Facebook account. As you can see, my account is already connected to my Facebook account. But if your account is not connected, you just have to tap on Add Accounts and then enter your credentials and your account will be added. After adding your account, if I come off my settings, we come to the home page. I'll swipe across just like this and I'll go and start making my story. So just make your story as how you want it to be on Facebook. And then if we click on the sticker button at the top, we can then see the option for link. So click on link and I can then go and type in something like google.com and I'll press done. And then what I can do is go and add other effects and stickers and text and photos to this story. And then what we can do is go and press the Your Story button in the bottom right. Now, if I do to my story that I just uploaded, then what I can do is I see the option for Facebook. I can click there and you can set it up so your stories are automatically shared. You don't have to do that. You can just press Not Now and then you can click on Share to Facebook Story. So you're just sharing this story to Facebook. I'll click that and you've now gone and shared it. Now, I just want to add that you may not want to do this on your personal Instagram account. You could always go and create another one and make the stories on that account. And you can then connect your Facebook account to that account. And you can then share the stories from this other account to Facebook if you don't want to use your personal one, if that matters to you. So that's basically how you can add a clickable link to your Facebook story. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.